Three independents have quit the BJP government in Haryana. These MLAs have quit and claimed that the BJP Haryana government is now in minority. Now, independent MLAs, they also demand early polls. These MLAs say that they will support Congress in the Haryana polls. The Congress says that their support, the support decision is welcomed by the party, while Chief Minister Saini, Haryana Chief Minister Saini's guarded response has sparked questions. He has said that Congress is trying to cater to the wishes, while BJP also says that there is no threat to the Haryana government. Let's listen in to some of the political reactions coming in.
विधायकों की कुछ इच्छाएं होती हैं और हर व्यक्ति आज इच्छा के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है, शायद क्योंकि कांग्रेस आजकल इच्छाएं पूरी करने में लगी हुई है और लोग समझ रहे हैं, लोग सब जानते हैं कि किसकी इच्छा क्या है। क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को, जैसे कांग्रेस है, कांग्रेस को जनता की इच्छाओं से मतलब नहीं है, उनको तो अपनी इच्छाओं से मतलब है कि हमने अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी करनी है। कांग्रेस लगी हुई है उनकी इच्छाएं पूरी करने में और आगे तो जनता ने उनकी इच्छाएं पूरी करनी है।
मैं इसमें एक ही बात कह सकता हूँ कि ये इनका फैसला ठीक समय पर ठीक फैसला है, जनहित का फैसला है। और आज जन किसी में है कि ये माहौल बनेगा, एक लहर कांग्रेस के पक्ष में चल रही है, इनका भी योगदान होगा क्योंकि ये आज से कांग्रेस का समर्थन करेंगे, तो इनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और ये जन भावनाओं की कदर करते हुए इन्होंने ये फैसला लिया है।
मेरे साथी बोले भी जो तेरे को बुला नहीं रहे, हम तो तेरे को वापस बुलाते भी, जय हमारा कहना मानने का तो जनता के कहने पे, हल्के की जनता को कहने से वापस अपना समर्थन ले। कांग्रेस एक ऐसी पार्टी है जो गरीबों की बात सुनती है।
कांग्रेस में शामिल होने वाली है कांग्रेस में?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, समर्थन हमने वापस लिया है और बाहर से हम सपोर्ट करेंगे कांग्रेस को। हमें चेयरमैन की उसकी नहीं, कुछ हम विधायक हैं उसी में संतुष्ट हैं और जनता की बातों पे खरे उतरे। जब मैं हल्के की जनता को नमन करता हूं और मैंने उनके कहने पे ये फैसला लिया।
देखिए, हरियाणा की सरकार में कोई खतरा नहीं है। भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा ने एक चुनाव के बीच में न्यूज बटोरने के लिए, क्योंकि उनके द्वारा खड़े करे हुए कोई भी कैंडिडेट 10 के 10 हारने की कगार पे हैं और उन सब की जमानतें जब्त होनी है। ऐसे परिस्थिति के अंदर उनकी जमानत जब्त ना हो, एक नैरेटिव बनाने के लिए ये करा है। हुड्डा साहब ये जानते हैं कि सरकार को अभी कोई खतरा नहीं वो ला सकते और गिनती भी हमारे साथ है, उसमें हमारे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सैद्धांतिक रूप से भी और संवैधानिक रूप से भी, दोनों रूप से हम बिल्कुल सुनिश्चित है, सरकार बिल्कुल लोहे की तरह मजबूत है।
So, a political crisis brewing in Haryana politics as three independents have quit the BJP government in the state of Haryana. These MLAs have quit and also claimed that BJP Haryana government is now in minority. These independent MLAs also demand early polls and they say that they will be supporting Congress in the upcoming Haryana polls. Congress, on the other hand, says that they support this decision by these three independents and they welcome them to the party. Chief Minister Saini has said that Congress is trying to cater to the wishes. And Gurpreet joins us to give us more details. Gurpreet, so a political crisis brewing in Haryana. The MLAs have quit. They claim that the BJP Haryana government is in minority. BJP, on the other hand, it says that there is no threat to the Haryana government. What happens now?
Well, yes, of course, we have seen there is a lot of hustle and bustle in political arena of Haryana, and specifically yesterday when three independent MLAs, they had already given statement saying that they are going to withdraw their support from BJP and they have decided to extend the support to the Congress party. And we have seen the former Chief Minister of Haryana, Bhupinder Singh Hooda, he held a press conference at Rohtak where they had already given support to the Congress. If we can talk talk about the political crisis, it seems that is happening in the state of Haryana, because as of now we have seen the BJP has got 40 seats, and before that we have seen BJP JJP alliance was running this government, and some of the independent MLA, they had also supported to the BJP government for running this government. Now if these MLAs are going to withdraw their support, those who have already confirmed they have already withdrawn their support, now it seems that it will be difficult for the BJP to combat with the situation. As of now, we have seen the Chief Minister of Haryana, he has given very strong statement. He says the government is stable, nothing is going to be happen, but in the coming days the things will be more clear whether the state government will be able to pacify more independent MLAs, or whether the government will be able to bring that mark which is required to run the government or not, because now it has become a number game. Because if the BJP government doesn't have numbers, then they will not be able to run this government. At the same time, what we can understand today, Dushyant Chautala, who was a deputy chief minister in BJP government, he is going to hold a press conference where they are going to make a big announcement. Yesterday we have seen Dushyant Chautala brother Digvijay Chautala, he has already given statement and asked Bhupinder Singh Hooda to claim for making the government in the state of Haryana. So if we can see in the nut and shell, it seems that it's a challenge for the BJP to hold the fort. It's a challenge for the BJP to make it sure that the BJP is well in the state of Haryana. But as of now, if we can talk about both the sides, where the BJP or the Congress, they are confident, BJP is confident nothing is going to happen with the state government. At the same time, we have seen the independent MLAs, when they had extended support to the Congress, they had also demanded early polls immediately after Lok Sabha polls. So if we can talk about the damage, what damage is going to happen for the BJP in Haryana, so let's see that in the coming days what is going to be happen. Back to studio.
All right, so we'll have to wait and watch if the number game favors the BJP or not. We'll have to wait and watch for that. Gurpreet, thank you very much for getting us all the latest.